Howdy.
You have a jack, I think?
I got a jack, I got my impact gun, I got everything I need.
This jack here, I don't know how to hold it down. I have no idea how to screw that damn thing down.
To put it down?
Yeah.
Basically, you just turn it.
So I was doing like
this way.
Turn.
Yeah. It takes a long time for it to actually go down. But yeah, you just keep screwing it that way until it goes flat, and then yeah.
Okay. I got this adapter for that one nut.
Okay, for the locking lug nut.
Yeah, one lug nut.
Which tire is flat? That's not okay.
I know what you got.
Hey, you're good. This is what I do all the time. Ooh, yeah, you shredded that sucker.
Oh, brand new tire.
Brand new tire. Wow. One locking lug nut. Okay. I got a good picture of those. What's that?
I don't have a light to help you though.
No, I've got a light in the truck I can grab. Basically, I'm just assessing first.
That's a brand new tire.
Let me get a picture of the car. Okay. Oh yeah, he definitely shrapnelized that tire. Shredded the whole sidewall. There's one I need. Foot wrench. I'll leave in the truck. Take a look. And my jack. Yeah, here in a second. Okay.
To the local, I know you need that. I'm still in the room.
There we go. We're good. Okay. Oh yeah. You shredded that sucker. Okay, come on, pop back down. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh well. Okay, you want me to just set it up in there? Okay.
I got should stand behind that tire. I'm getting $1
Yeah, if you just bought that tire, I'd definitely be going back to where you got it from.
Yeah.
yippee-ki-yay. What's that?
Good.
Oh yeah. Here's that.
Do you take credit card then?
Yeah, we do. Basically what I'll do is I'll go hop back in my truck, grab my headset, and call my dispatch, give her the number, and they run it over the phone that way.
Okay, good.
Did you want a written receipt or?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can either write it out for you or they can text it over to you.
No, write it out.
Write it out? Okay, I can do that. That looks a little low, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my truck up, I'm going to hook up my air hose and air it up a little more.
Yeah.
And of course, it's starting to rain already. Oh, it sucks working in the wet season. Oh, yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay. And the raising season's why I wear a cowboy hat. Oh, that makes things so much nicer. Put the block back in. Back in. Okay, let's pull up a little bit and we're gonna air up that tire. Let's see. 60 PSI tires. Cool. And we're golden. Okay, so we got them, have got their spare tire put on, sent them on their way. Hopefully we don't run into them further down the road with issues, because they took off kind of slow. But you guys have yourselves a good night, YouTube. See you on the next one.